begins again. Feral attraction. It's just a matter of when. A chain reaction. A silver bullet can stop me now. It's getting late and the sun's gone down. I hope my feet keep me on the ground. Let out a howl and run into the night. A cold chill runs down your spine. Into the night. I feel your body next to mine. Into the night. I've got a full moon appetite. Dance with the devil in pale moonlight. Into the night. And it begins again, and I can't keep it in. It's breaking through my skin. I'll run as fast as I can. A silver bullet can stop me now. It's getting late and the sun's gone down. I hope my feet keep me on the ground. Into the night. A cold chill runs down your spine. Into the night. I feel your body next to mine. Into the night. I've got a full moon appetite. Dance with the devil in pale moonlight. Into the night. Into the night. Into the night. Into the night.
You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it.
What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough.
magazine. It's easy to buy into fake. So don't you try on your own. I'll be there if you're home. Say you can't take it, go. If this is how it must be, then hold on tightly to me, yeah. And we'll feel this way together. Trade your desire for a secret safe with me. You know I'm compromised, I cannot let it be. Oh no, we're running out of time. We're running out of time. Somebody help me, 'cause I see it in your face. I can hear it in your bones. You will not leave it alone. And you don't wanna talk, you can hardly walk, and you're trying to run from the pain, yeah. So don't you cry on your own. I'll be there if you're home. Say you can, but you can't take it, go. If this is how it must be, then hold on tightly to me, yeah. And we'll feel this way together. But don't you punish me with your eyes. You burn right through me, yeah. I think I might die. But don't you punish me with your pretty little eyes. 'Cause I can't bear to see you living a lie. I wanna see you so